I've always wondered what this structure is when I pass it. I've been through here several times. So on County Road 10 in Shelby County, kind of like out past P Ridge. Sits off the road a little bit. It's better to sit during the winter time. It's getting where you can't sit right now. I give it 2 more months, you won't even be able to sit at all because of the kudzu right through here. I'll have everything covered in about 2 months. I would go down there, but I don't want to get in snake bit. Yeah, it's after 5 o'clock, so you already know what else is flying around in the air right now trying to carry me off. These damn mosquitoes don't play around here. Between them and the gnats, I really don't even care about stopping much. The hardest part is trying to keep them out of my helmet when I put it on. Oh yeah, she is definitely cloudy. She is not clear. Let's go down there and take a look though. This guy gonna be nice to let me around, or is he just gonna dust me out no time? West Alabama birding trail. I have no idea I'm back here. I didn't think I'd see people out here swimming in this, but I think there actually is people out here swimming. The water's moving kind of fast. Definitely wouldn't want no kids out there. Get to there. It gets kind of calm back this way. They ain't really no rapids or shallow waters to make it look like it's got some good rapids. It's just, whew, it's just big free flowing river right through here. It's not a lot back there where you got the shallow shelves and rocks in between. Like right here, you could tell it's like really moving. It's a little bit more shallower right here. You see it coming over that rock. You know, we do have some beautiful spots to swim, but unfortunately some people just like to come out here and leave trash. If I had a bag, I'd take that, but I don't have nothing with me today. I mean, why can't y'all people just clean up after yourselves? Like, it ain't much. Take that with you. For the most part, it is pretty clean out here. I haven't really seen no other trash besides that back there. There's more people out here than what I thought there would be. A little wet. Woo! Let's go this side. Those are potholes. More potholes. We ain't gonna hit them though. Time to get wet again.